Assalamualaikum.
The Islamic worldview, it focuses on all aspects, including civilization, personal, social, political, and also cultural, besides dealing with spiritual, moral, and also aqidah issues.
As chemical engineers, we prepared and assigned optimum parameter for the power plant to run smoothly. However, plant may trip and may shut down. For electricals and electronic engineers, we calibrate and ensure all the electronic components in the system are well connected to avoid short circuit. Although we have fully prepared the operation, but in the end, the hope and tawakal should put it on Allah. We may plan everything, but the fate is not in our hands because everything else in this creation is contingent upon His will.
God creates the universe for the benefits of human. We can see it from the engineering fields. For example, electrical fields of engineering, we can see that the universe consists of power supply.
So men are given the abilities such as willpower and intellect. We are able to rationalize whether something is right or wrong. It's actually known as ilmu akal. So second of all, ilmu nakal, which is our spirituality. It involves around our creation of God. That means we need to be God conscious, knowing that He created us and He created everything around us, to worship Him and glorify Him.
The engineering, basically, it involves around science and technologies that are concerned with design, buildings, structures, and machines. As for chemical, we can know their scope is more to optimizing raw materials to become a valuable product. As for electrical, they mostly deal with tiny, small electrical components. Specialty is more to dealing with faults in machines. This refers back to our concept of life, where we are given a manual, which is the Quran.
Every action depends on the intention. That's a very famous hadith for us to think about. Intention is connected with consciousness, awareness, and the heart's initiation aligned to the actions that we do, which matters the most, because for that we will be merited. We invent and innovate for the sake of the ummah to have a better tomorrow. So that has to be the driving force for our every efforts. So therefore, everything we do has to be intended for the sake of Allah.
The conclusion for this video is that we try to learn about what's going on around us to prevent any disasters. We will be judged by our intentions. Is it for the advancement of humanity, for the good of others? But in the will of Allah, but nothing is impossible.
Assalamualaikum.